Okay, hi guys. So today, we're gonna try to kill people who camp at spawn and meet up. So, alright, let's go. Oh shoot! Already found
one of the pills, bro.
Anyone that's yellow and try to open the doors, they're
We just saw him, but then he was just sexing our butt. Then we had to run.
Everybody, listen to me. If
Then
you
he
Bruh.
ran away from us, so he's scary.
if you see a
Yo,
yellow
where the beam at? Yo, first thing, I die, bro. Like, bruh. Alright, let's go again. Because I low-key just died from the beam, the overcooked beam.
Look at
Okay,
Hey!
let's try to find him.
Hey! Stop!
Where actual beam? Where actual beam?
Just shut up, buddy. I'm right here.
Not you, bro.
My name's Flick.
Not your good buddy.
He's in death. Go check death.
Bruh.
Oh, he is not coming. What are you guys on about?
He's in death. Trust me. Yes, he is. He went in there. Hey,
Dead homies.
Bruh.
Wait.
Yo, please open it. Please.
Open!
Oh yeah, we're dead.
He'll drive a funky. Oh my gosh, you just
Say, hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't
No.
Whoever can find me gets 10,000 apples.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Oh no,
I bet. 10,000 apples. I don't like
you. I
don't like apples. I like candy apples.
Swear you guys close that door.
Close it. He's coming. Close it.
Please no.
Boom! I keep dying. Alright. Go again. Bro, how long is this gonna take?
Oh my god.
Get a kill if I get the beam.
They just got murdered.
Today wallahi.
Listen back.
Yo! What did I just witness?
Okay, I'm
Got raped.
Okay.
He's dead.
Yo, what is happening?
They're dead. No, Blue. All of them. All dead. All the black and pink is
What are you
dead.
guys running from?
Okay.
Air. It's scary.
You're so
We're scared of air.
Black,
Yeah, you ain't
stop
doing nothing.
doing
Come
all
on.
that
You ain't
stuff.
run from me,
I'm
Blue.
gonna kill you.
You ain't run from me. Yellow. If you
No,
follow
come
me,
here.
I'll give you.
Come here.
I'll cash up you
Come here.
$5.
Now, come here, Pumpkinhead. Come here, Pumpkinhead.
Don't run from me. Don't run
Follow
from me, boy.
me, you're dying too.
I need that
No,
$5.
come here.
If anybody
me,
follow
Cash
me,
App.
you're dying too.
Bro, what are you giving out your cash app right
Follow
now?
me, you're dying too.
The real
I do
the
not
real
care.
child predator here
Follow
is the
me, you're
bean.
dying too.
Cause I was trying to move.
Follow me,
Go.
you're dying.
Yo, I think I hear actual
The
beam.
bean is a
He's
rapist.
not coming.
I think I see
Yo, you're not
actual
getting that
beam.
$5, bro.
No, come in there.
Why?
Come over. Oh, they
Rest in peace to you.
I'm not gonna say this again.
Red.
Come in.
You said you would cash me $5, but you said no. I'm not getting $5.
I'm so laggy. They call me actual me. No, they don't.
They call me actual special.
Huh?
They call me actual special.
Come here, kids. Come here. Come only here.
I'm gay. I'm gay.
Let's go. I killed some.
Bro. You didn't kill me. Give me the $5. Oh, we're dead. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead.
He went away.
Where would you? Okay.
You guys are all dead. Chill.
Okay, so like, I killed like some spawn campers, or like kind of spawn campers.
I do not. Oh, yo.
Okay, well.
Man, shut up, Brad. You.
Okay, well. All right. Bye.